In this video, I'm going to use the life of an incredible lady, Louise Hay, to evidence or to show you why you must not allow any form of adversity, be it in your childhood or in your adulthood, in your 40s, 50s, 60s, to stop you from using your God-given talent, purpose, creativity to enhance your life, to improve your life, and to have your best life, as well as to add value to other people's life. Hi, my name is Mabel. Hence, this channel is called Ask Auntie Mabel, because on this channel, I provide answers to questions regarding various life issues or challenges. Before I go into this video, I just tell you this, that the way I got this morning, I belong to a business club, where a members club, where we support each other to use our creativity, just as I'm also doing in Able Mabel Academy. So this video was played this morning as part of our mindset, because what does that tell you? This is what I keep telling every one of you. If you want to achieve you want to use your skills to develop yourself and everything you want to do, you must be around like-minded people, so they can, you just keep learning, because life is a learning process. Right, what did Louise Hay, what did she achieve? Her adversity, I will just try to explain it briefly. She had an awful childhood where her mom, I think her dad was in her life, her mom remarried, and the stepfather was very abusive, and she was even actually raped at a very, very young age. But she actually just struggled. She dropped out of university. She had such an awful life, a very difficult childhood. But then she later married, and I think after so many years, her husband now left her for another woman. But I don't really want to dwell too much. I don't want to give too much of that story. But what really touched me this morning when we watched this video was the fact that all of this, she didn't let them stop her. If you like what you hear so far, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, because all this help to promote our channel, and at the same time they are all free. So please, in this next part of this video, bear with me. I'm going to be looking down in my note, because this lady's story is so incredible that I don't want to miss out any valuable point. I just want you guys to take in all these points. The fact is, I really want to speak to people who are either in their 40s, 50s, 60s, who feel, it's too much, my work is too, job is too much, life is too difficult, so many other excuses that we are giving. I know they are valid excuses, they are valid things, we are valid reasons why many of us cannot achieve or do what we want to do. But I just feel that this story and how Louise Hay moved on from all of that can encourage and inspire some of us. Right, she started, part of this video that got me this morning was, she started by saying, go for every project that come to mind. Never think you are too old for anything. Who are we speaking to here? Are those of you sitting at the back seat, can you hear what she's saying? Never think you are too old for anything. Let's show you what she did from the age of 40 even up to her 70s. That's just a snapshot of what I'm going to cover in this video. She said her life actually began to make meaning in her 40s. When she started teaching. Are you hiding some of your skills right now? Or have you just been so used to doing your corporate job that you are not really enjoying doing? And you have a lot of other skills you want to use. What is stopping you? Is it fear? Then she said at 50, she started her publishing company. She said in a small scale, but it later grew to become very big. and obviously she still wanted to keep it to maintain her value. Then at 55, she ventured into the world of computers. She started taking classes to overcome her fear of computers. Are you one of those who's afraid of computers right now? Who's afraid of social media? As you all know on this channel, that is what I'm be encouraging those people in their 40s and 50s, like myself, because I have overcome some of those phobia. That's one of the reasons I started this YouTube channel after so many years of trying or being scared to do it. Many of us have got so much talent, so much skills like Louis Hay, and we are just burying it under the bullshit. We are burying it under our 9-to-5 job or whatever we are doing. We can do more. Yes? Am I shouting it enough? Is it loud enough? Those of you at the back seat, are you hearing it? Stop digging your heel in. Auntie Mabel is here to drag you along, because we cannot hide away with all our skills and knowledge. We need to bring it to the forefront. It's going to change a lot of life. It's going to change many lives. So let us stop being selfish. It could be genuine fear. Okay, then let's move on. At 60, she started her first garden and became an avid organic gardener who grew her own food. Can you hear that? If you are scared of computer, you can still come alongside to Able Mabel Academy and come with all your skills and talent. We can help you package it and fan it into flame. Okay? Then at 70, she entered the children art class. Also, in her 70s, she changed her handwriting because she was inspired by a writer, Vilma Rogers, who said your handwriting can change your life. Are those of you who want to change your handwriting? Then at 75, she graduated to the adult art class and started selling her own paintings. Can you imagine? Something you started at 70. So who are those in their 60s and 70s who think they passed their sell-by date? You haven't. Then also in her 70s, she took up yoga. What is that exercise thing to help your health and well-being you have been procrastinating about? Is it walking? Is it going to the gym? I try to go to the gym and go swimming most morning. So something one of the targets I set for myself from August and September. Right. Then at 76, she decided to stretch herself even further and took up ballroom dancing. She was fulfilling her childhood dream of dancing. Guess what? When she was a child, a teacher told her she couldn't dance. She was interested in ballet. A teacher said she couldn't dance because she was too tall. And another child in her class was told that they couldn't draw just because they drew the wrong tree. So what is stopping you? What has somebody said to you, either in your childhood or your adulthood or even at work? What has a manager, colleague said to you that is making you to feel you cannot do those things? You cannot use your skills, those your talent that you are hiding. Still hiding them under the bushes. Stop hiding them. Dig them all out. So, and what does this really tell you? I was really inspired this morning, and I just feel I can't keep this to myself. I have always been trying to find ways to encourage all of you. So you might be younger than 40, but even those of us who are adults, as I always try to say on this channel, are you a parent? Are you a grandparent? Are you an auntie? Are you an uncle? Are you a teacher? Or whichever way, is it a friend's child or your siblings' children that are in your life? Let's try not to quench their dreams. Let's encourage them. I know some of them can have dreams that are just out of this world, but let's do our best to give them a chance to explore their dreams. And even those of us who are old, it's never too late, as we can see. I'm not saying we can do everything like Louise Hay did, but at least we can do something. We've got some creativity. Part of this video, she actually said we all have creativity in us. Is it the creativity of being good at making beds, being good at cooking? There is none of us that don't have some form of creativity. She said we are all made, we are all creative beings. We are all creative. All human beings are born creative. So please, please, let's bring out our creativity. Let's bring it to life. So even the book, her book, I've started reading it. I'm going to put the link in the description box of this video, so you can use my affiliate link to get it, your copy of the book. That they will have one of her famous books. She's a great writer. She has, this lady's incredible. I'm not even going to be able to cover everything she did on this video. Her book, You Can Heal Your Life. She actually used she did this book, she used the tips she had at the time. She had cervical cancer. It was the tips she used in healing her life, that she used, healing herself, that she wrote in this book, which started as a pamphlet. And part of it was her learning to forgive the people who caused the adversity in her childhood. So I'm not saying every one of us can follow everything she did, but at least we can take something from what she did. So please, please, if you want to learn more about all of these things and how you can be around people of like-minded people to create something, use your creativity to help you package your creativity. Use the link in the bio and use the link in my that shows you. Auntie Mabel is really trying to learn social media as much as possible. Use the link in the description box of this video to check out our website and send me a message. So yeah, there's a contact form there. Let me know what you have learned from the story of Louise Hay, and how you want to use your creativity better. If you have watched this video up to this point, please give me thumbs up. Leave me comments. Let me know what you think about this lady's incredible story. And also, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And on that note, I will see you in my next video.